Although I have indeed made quite a few small 3D printed model aircraft in recent years, this particular Zero left a deep impression on me. There are plenty of things to praise about it, but first let's enjoy its flight feature. Zero's most outstanding characteristics in its historical design are its high maneuverability and flexibility. I think this is already common knowledge in the aviation field. But this time, for better or worse, there is no movable rudder in this plane. Yes, this is a 3-channel aircraft. With a wingspan of 800 millimeters, not only does it lack a vertical stabilizer and landing gear, but even the ailerons are enlarged, yet in the end it still doesn't deliver the expected flight experience. To be honest, I was really disappointed. Actually, this should be considered a common problem with all small 3D printed model aircraft. They're just too heavy. Almost all small 3D printed model aircraft have to forgo certain mechanisms due to their compact structure in order to reduce weight. Even though this particular one is made with foamed printing material for field use, its wing loading is still 35 grams per square decimeter, and with a 2212 motor and a 28 ESC, the thrust-to-weight ratio only just manages to reach 1:1. Moreover, after numerous attempts, we found that the panel lines on this field use model are almost impossible to remove, which seriously affects its appearance. As a belly landing aircraft, the aileron horns on the field use model have no protection at all, and after just one landing, the horns were almost worn flat. As a plane that's hard to fly, looks bad, and is frustrating to operate, our studio gives it a subjective overall rating of 1.2 stars. Unless you're especially curious or looking for something unusual, we really do not recommend getting this plane. Although the consistently poor aerodynamic design is fully displayed in this aircraft, we truly have to give it a big thumbs down. That brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.